Hello everybody, welcome back. I am the Exam Mastery host, your virtual guide to cybersecurity and the CompTIA CySA Plus journey. Whether you are prepping for the certification or are just curious about defending the digital world, you are in the right place. Every week we break down complex security topics into simple, actionable insights to help you grow as a cybersecurity analyst. Let's build your skills, boost your confidence, and stay ahead of threats together. If you find value here, consider subscribing and sharing your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing application log analysis for service interruption detection. What is application log analysis? Application log analysis involves reviewing logs generated by applications to monitor performance, identity errors, and detection anomalies that may indicate service interruptions or security issues. Purpose: detect service disruptions, identify security threats, support compliance. Key: log types, error logs, access logs, performance logs, and security logs. Example: analyzing a web server to log to detect a 500 internal server error causing a service outage. Why application logs matter: service availability, security detection, compliance. Real world example: service interruptions and log indicators. Error messages, we got high response times, failed transactions, authentication and authorization failures, resource exhaustion, and suspicious activity. Analyzing application logs: log collection and centralization. Collect logs and centralize logs. Establish a baseline, monitor anomalies, error monitoring, performance metrics, and security events. Correlate with other data: system logs, network traffic, and endpoint data. Use automation and alerting. Automated analysis and set alerts. Tools for application log analysis: log management, Splunk, Elasticstack, and Graylog. Monitoring platforms: we have Prometheus plus Grafana, Zabbix and Nagios, Splunk. SIEM solutions: Splunk, Curator, ElasticSIEM correlates logs for security events. EDR tools: CrowdStrike, SentinelOne, Carbon Black. Network tools: Wireshark, Zeek. Application-specific logs: Apache Nginx logs, AWS CloudWatch, and Azure Monitor. So how do we respond to these service interruptions? We contain, we investigate, we eradicate, we recover, and we document. Challenges in application log analysis: log volume false positives, log format vulnerability, and encrypted data. Application log analysis and CySA Plus exam: understanding application log types and their role in detecting interruptions. Analyzing logs using tools like Splunk, Elastic, or QRadar. Identifying anomalies, error spikes, and unauthorized access. Responding to incidents with containment, eradication, and recovery steps. Pro tip: how would you expect questions like, how would you investigate an application crash reported in logs? Best practices for application log analysis: centralized logs, use Splunk or Elasticstack or unified log management. Establish baselines. Define normal log patterns for applications. Automate analysis, use SIEM or monitoring tools for real-time detection. Integrate with EDR and SIEM, correlates logs with endpoint and network data. Set alerts, educate teams. So that is going to be it for our application and log analysis video. Thank you everybody for watching. Please comment down below any of your questions or concerns. I really enjoy reading your comments. Thank you everybody for watching. Bye.